got there?
Peanut oil. First batch was unsalted butter. Second batch was peanut oil.
Peanut oil, high smoking point, the best frying oil available.
High smoke
The
value.
best.
Little, here's the trick though. Secret of it. Fraser's breading and batter mix, original. Fast, easy, no mess. The milk and eggs in the mix.
Distant cousin, too. Italian, right, cuz?
Italian vinaigrette.
Yeah, vanilla.
Imported. A bag of Blaze. How many bags do we get?
50?
50. Nice to those Blaze.
Beautiful.
Right in the oil into the mix.
Actually, they're almost swimming, they're so fresh, right, cuz?
There's a lot.